Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Despina and today I will be customizing another t-shirt for my brand. So today I will be designing this design I have on my notebook, and I'm really happy because I think it's gonna look very great. So let's get started. So this is a wax pencil. As I've mentioned before on my previous video, it's a pencil for garments. I use it to design on the garments just to make sure if I make a mistake I can go over it and just erase it and draw again. Usually I don't need to erase anything, but I just do it just in case. And yeah, let's get into it. So now that I'm finished with the design, I just go over it with my black fabric paint and I do the outline of my drawing. Now that I'm finished with the outline, it's time to start coloring in the design. After I finish with the flower and I think it looks pretty and it's done, I just move on and I start doing the background. So as you can see now, I'm coloring in the shapes I have around my flower. My initial idea was to make them look like flames, but it turned out to have these abstract shapes, and I just coloring in with orange and yellow just to make that nice shade of a flame coming out of the flower, if it makes sense. The final product. I'll give you guys a close-up and you can see how it turned out. That is it today, guys, for this project. I'll see you guys next week. I hope you really enjoyed it. You can find the garment. I'm going to post it on my website where I'll be selling it. It's Despina Venizelu at wixsite.com/my site. You can find it there, and also you can see it on my Instagram, Spring and Waist, and I'll also put those details in the description so you can have a look. Please like my video if you really enjoyed it, and comment if you would like to tell me what you would like to see, guys, next time, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.